Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the top 5 AI tools that are revolutionizing content creation. These tools will not only boost your productivity, but also help you create amazing content like never before. So, let's get started. First up on our list are AI writing assistants. These tools can help you generate ideas, write scripts, and even create entire articles in just a few minutes. Tool number 1, GPT-3. GPT-3, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's one of the largest and most powerful language models available, with 175 billion parameters. GPT-3 can generate human-like text based on your prompts, making it perfect for brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, and even creating blog posts. It can also be used for tasks like summarizing articles, answering questions, and translating languages. The versatility and capabilities of GPT-3 make it an invaluable tool for content creators looking to save time and enhance their creative process. Just give it a topic and it'll generate content for you in no time. Next, let's talk about AI video editing tools. These tools can help you edit your videos faster and more efficiently. Tool number 2, RunwayML. RunwayML is an AI-powered video editing tool that allows you to create stunning visuals with ease. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI algorithms, you can quickly edit your videos, add effects, and even generate new footage. Some of the amazing features RunwayML offers include Style Transfer. Apply the visual style of one image or video to another, creating unique and artistic effects. Green Screen Removal. Automatically remove green screen backgrounds and replace them with your desired backdrop. Object Detection and Tracking. Identify and track objects within your video, making it easy to add effects or annotations. Image and Video Generation. Generate new images or video clips based on your input, perfect for creating unique visuals or filling gaps in your footage. Text to Image. Convert written text into visual images, allowing you to create custom graphics and illustrations. With RunwayML, you can elevate your video editing skills and create professional-looking content without the need for extensive technical knowledge or experience. Now, let's move on to AI graphic design tools. These tools can help you create eye-catching visuals for your content. Tool number 3, Canva. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that offers a wide range of templates and design elements, making it easy to create professional-looking visuals. With Canva, you can design custom thumbnails, create attention-grabbing thumbnails to boost your video's click-through rate, make channel art, design banners and logos to enhance your channel's branding, create social media graphics, promote your videos with engaging images for various platforms, design video intros and outros, add a polished touch to your videos with custom intros and outros. Canva's drag-and-drop interface and extensive library of templates make it a go-to tool for content creators looking to improve their visual appeal. Next up are AI voiceover tools. These tools can help you generate realistic voiceovers for your videos. Tool number 4, Descript. Descript is an innovative audio editing tool that uses AI to transcribe and edit your audio files. With Descript, you can edit audio like text. Make changes to your audio by simply editing the transcribed text, making the process quick and intuitive. Remove filler words. Automatically detect and remove filler words like and to create a polished final product. Generate captions. Create accurate captions for your videos to improve accessibility and engagement. Overdub voices. Use Descript's AI-generated voice to replace or add new lines to your audio, ensuring a consistent sound. Descript's unique approach to audio editing saves time and effort, allowing you to focus on creating high-quality content for your audience. Finally, let's explore AI YouTube optimization tools that can help you grow your audience and improve your video performance. Tool number 5, vidIQ. vidIQ is a powerful browser extension and mobile app designed to help you optimize your YouTube channel. With vidIQ, you can perform keyword research. Find the best keywords for your videos to improve search rankings and discoverability. Optimize video metadata. Get suggestions for titles, descriptions, and tags to maximize your video's potential. Track video performance. Monitor your video analytics and identify areas for improvement. Competitor analysis. Keep an eye on your competition and learn from their strategies to stay ahead. Access productivity tools. Streamline your workflow with features like bulk editing, comment management, and video scheduling. vidIQ's comprehensive suite of tools makes it an essential resource for any content creator looking to grow their YouTube channel and reach a wider audience. So there you have it. These are the top 5 AI tools revolutionizing content creation and boosting productivity. By incorporating these tools into your workflow, you can save time, create better content, and ultimately grow your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.